loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please do consider subscribing. I am Annie Wanjiko, and for the returning viewers, thank you so much. You have a special place in my heart. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a comment down below, okay? So today I'm here with an updated house tour of my single room. If you haven't watched the other one, please do go and watch so you can see the difference, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, let's get the video going. So wacha niwape the house tour muone hapa na pale. The girl has been trying, so let's see. Hey guys, so the first thing that you'll meet up while getting through this door, it's this beautiful curtain of mine. Nilinunua from someone who was working with them around, the hawkers. And then over here I have my 3 jerry cans. I have my doormat over here, nilinunua at Kaongware. So I got myself a system. Nilifanya video of I unboxing it, so you can just go and watch. Same to this doormat, nilizinunua Kaongware zikiwa 3. And then over here I have this jug. So imechomeka, niliiba home and I was warned, but nikaiba too. So here, this is where I do store my dirty clothes. When you come here, I have my dummy mannequin. So here hapa, I do sell clothes on my WhatsApp and my TikTok account. So I'll leave my TikTok account and also my WhatsApp. So you can just text me or go to my TikTok account, but it's better you text me on WhatsApp. Over here, I have my hangers, doormats zingine, and my curtains. So here, it's where I store my clean clothes. This is my towel, and I have some jumpers over there. So when I come here, I do use this mat, especially when I'm getting dressed, at least nisikanyange baridi sana. So yeah, it's close to where I've stored my clothes, so it's much better. So when you come here, I have a shoe rack that I'm using it for 3 purposes: to put my shoes, my handbags, and my oil essentials. So this is the thing, when I was getting this shoe rack, I was planning only to put my shoes, but me, I'm that person mwenye sinunuangi viatu sana, nikisha buy slides ni hivyo. So I decided, you know what, because these bags were hanging huku juu, and I wanted them to be in a place whereby at least inakaa vizuri, so I was like, let me just put them over here. Then also these oils nilikuwa nimeziekelea kwa ka box too, a small box, then nikazieka chini, but I was like, let me just put them here at least, because this space was not going to be used. If those are the kind of shoes I have, okay, pia tattoos go nje, but those are the shoes that I have. So I was like, you know what, before I buy other shoes, acha tu niitumie. So this is where I do put my oils. You see my makeups and also my notebooks and my Bible. So at least ziko in a good place. So let me give you a good view of it. And also my mirror. So that's actually my dressing area. Even though in a car, you see at least my shoes are there, my oils are there, and also dressing my clothes over there. So dressing area, it's kinda looking good. So we finally got a bed. If you didn't know, I didn't have a bed, but thank God I was able to pay for it. Nikakuja, but it had dramas because fundis. I won't talk about it. I already talked about it. So this is my bed, 5x6, and iko color white ukuju, but over here nikasema ikaeka purplish also to that one. So this throw blanket nilinunua Kaongware at 200 bob. It's so big, unaona, mimi ndo nimeikunja, so you can get them at Kaongware. Also this bed ni bed cover nilinunua Kaongware, my throw pillow at Kaongware, my 2 pillows at Kaongware, and also those pillowcase at Kaongware. So Kaongware is a nice place to go and shop, okay? So over here I have these 2 arts nilizinunua at town. So yeah, zilikuwa pale juu, but when I got my board I was like, acha nizieke hapo. So it looks so beautiful over there. Acha niwape view po. So it looks good, sindio ama? So that's my bed. My duvet, I got it from Kamukunji, Prolific Carpets and Home Decors. They do sell good carpets. and other home decors. Even this carpet I got from them, so you can just text me and I'll connect you. So that's simply it. That's my bed, my shoe rack, you see. So that's it. So my kitchen area, I have this refilled water, one refill water. Then I want to go and do shopping for my house because sijanunua vitu. It's on a Monday, so I do restock every Monday. So over here niko na my basins that I use to wash my clothes. Hi, my vyombos which clothes? So over here kuna sufuria zangu. So I want to go and restock my food. So I had trouble fixing these things, but yeah, so I didn't hate this one. If you'll check on the other video, nilikuwa na hii plastic, I'll show you in a bit. So this is what I got, na nika arrange in a manner that itanisumbua, but nilipoteza one of the you see. So sometimes I do get scared of it, kuwekelea vyombo mob, even though I don't have so many vyombos, but sometimes it just triggers me, okay? So that's how it looks like. So also this one I got it at 1200 Kaongware bado, and online they were selling at 1500, and there's 1600, and then there was a place nikaangalia from a person who was selling them at 1500. Nikaenda Kaongware. So over here, this one I got at 80 bob, okay? Nitaeka hapo vitamba zangu za vyombo. I've still not restocked some of the things in this house, but I'll try my best, okay? Over here, it's where I do put my spices, my oil, tomatoes, ndo hizo spices huko. But I haven't put so many spices because me, I'm not that person who cooks all the time. I won't lie, but yeah, it looks so good, okay? My kitchen cabinet looks so good. I had to tell someone to fix it for me. Si ati nilipata hapa. Then over here, it's where I did my best. Sijawai put a wallpaper somewhere, but I tried on this one because I had no option, so it's over here. Nilinunua isili, and I had to fix it myself. So yeah, this is my gas, na hapo kuna something to eat. So over here, this is the one that I was using pale kwa jikoni, hapo juu kwa meza. So I changed it, na hii ndo naikanga vitungu zangu, nyanya zangu, waru, and other things that I want to restock. So unaona hadi hapo kuna nyanya, so I have to go to the market. But that's it. Ndo imaji ya kuosha mikono, kuosha tu vitungu, and other things while I'm cooking. That's my dustbin, and that's my brush in the dustpan. Yeah, that's it for today. That's how the house is. So do tell me in the comment section how you feel about this new updates, okay? Because next tutanunua kiti, TV, and other things. But I'm so glad for this far that I've reached, and thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, okay? Let me give you a good view. Guys, I forgot to tell you, niko na ka window hapa, although the light is too much here. So this is where I do put my coins, and this is my gratitude jar, of which sijai kwa nikiandika the grateful things that God has done for me, but I'll do it very soon. Okay? So ndo hii hapa toothbrush yangu with my 2 Colgates, and yeah, this is what I use to like put my curtain together. Nishikilie pamoja wale I want some light to get in. So yeah,